Imagine staring into the vast darkness at the edge of our solar system and realizing there could be a massive world hiding just out of reach of our telescopes. A planet so enormous, it dwarfs Earth, and yet has remained invisible to us for centuries. This is the tantalizing possibility scientists are now seriously considering. A hidden planet X, a celestial giant lurking in the cold, distant outskirts of our cosmic neighborhood. For decades, astronomers have observed unusual behaviors in the orbits of objects in the Kuiper belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune, and these gravitational oddities hint at the presence of a massive, unseen planet. The way these distant objects cluster together, following paths that seem too precise to be random, has puzzled researchers and sparked countless theories. Could this be evidence of a planet so large that its gravitational pull subtly shapes the motion of everything around it? The notion is both thrilling and unnerving, because, for all our knowledge of planets from Mercury to Neptune, there may be a hidden world we've yet to discover. What makes Planet X particularly fascinating is that its influence is not just hypothetical. It manifests in ways we can measure through the meticulous tracking of distant celestial bodies. Astronomers use powerful telescopes and complex computer simulations to map these subtle gravitational nudges, creating a cosmic detective story where each piece of evidence leads them closer to confirming the existence of this giant. If Planet X exists, it might not only rewrite textbooks, but also challenge our understanding of how the solar system evolved. Traditionally, scientists believed that all major planets formed within a relatively orderly disk of gas and dust around the Sun, settling into predictable orbits. Yet, the possibility of a massive, distant planet lurking in the outer reaches suggests that the solar system may be far more dynamic and mysterious than we imagined, with hidden giants that influence their neighbors in ways that are only now coming into focus. It's a cosmic puzzle that requires patience, precision, and a willingness to accept that the universe is far stranger than our everyday experiences suggest. As researchers sift through mountains of data, they must distinguish between random coincidences and meaningful patterns, teasing out the subtle signs that could reveal Planet X's presence. This is no easy task, because the further you look from the Sun, the harder it becomes to spot faint objects that reflect almost no sunlight. The challenge is compounded by the sheer size of space itself, where billions of miles separate even the closest celestial neighbors, creating a vast canvas on which a massive hidden planet could remain concealed. And yet, every anomaly, every unusual orbital curve, hints at something bigger lurking in the shadows. In this unfolding astronomical mystery, the stakes are high, because discovering a planet larger than Earth at the solar system's edge would not only be a scientific triumph, but also a profound reminder that our cosmic neighborhood still holds secrets that challenge human curiosity and imagination. As astronomers continue to study the outer reaches of the solar system, the evidence for a hidden Planet X grows increasingly compelling, yet frustratingly elusive. The clues are subtle, almost like footprints in the snow left by a creature rarely seen. Objects in the Kuiper belt and beyond, such as Sedna and other distant icy bodies, follow highly unusual orbits that cannot easily be explained by the gravitational forces of the known planets. These objects appear to be shepherded by something massive, a gravitational puppet master lurking in the shadows. Advanced computer simulations suggest that for these patterns to exist, the influencing body would need to be at least several times the mass of Earth, orbiting hundreds of astronomical units away from the Sun, in a region that is effectively invisible to our current telescopes. Imagine a world so distant that even light, traveling at 186,000 miles per second, takes hours to reach it. And yet, despite the vast emptiness between us and this potential planet, its presence could be felt through the delicate, orchestrated dance of distant objects. What adds another layer of intrigue is the possibility that Planet X might not be alone. Some models hint at the existence of smaller companion bodies, or even a hidden system of planets at the edge of our solar system, suggesting that what we once thought of as a familiar planetary arrangement may actually be far more complex and layered. The thought that there may be giant worlds silently roaming the outer solar system, hidden in darkness, and influencing celestial mechanics in ways we are only beginning to detect, creates a profound sense of awe and uncertainty. Scientists must grapple with the fact that their theories rely on indirect evidence, piecing together the puzzle from gravitational fingerprints rather than direct observation. This makes the hunt for Planet X both exciting and painstakingly slow, as every new observation can either strengthen the case or cast doubt on its existence. The suspense builds with each passing year as technology advances and telescopes become more powerful, yet the planet continues to evade direct detection. Will the next generation of space observatories finally capture an image of this elusive giant? Or will it remain a ghostly presence, inferred only through its influence? Beyond the thrill of discovery, the implications of Planet X are immense. Finding such a planet could reshape our understanding of the solar system's formation, suggesting that planets can form or migrate far from their stars, challenging long-held models of planetary evolution. It might also help explain other cosmic mysteries, such as the origin of long-period comets that seem to come from the fringes of the solar system, or why certain distant objects appear to cluster in unusual ways. For now, the outer solar system remains a realm of secrets, a distant frontier that beckons with unanswered questions and tantalizing possibilities. The notion that a massive hidden planet could exist just beyond our observational reach reminds us that even in a system we think we know well, there are still mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Stories written in the silent language of gravity that challenge human curiosity and perseverance. The very thought of Planet X lurking at the edge of our solar system ignites the imagination, inviting visions of a colossal, icy world, orbiting silently in near-perpetual darkness, far beyond the reach of sunlight. If it exists, this hidden planet could be composed of dense rock and frozen gases, a massive body cloaked in a dim, reflective atmosphere that makes it nearly invisible to even the most powerful telescopes on Earth. Its orbit might take thousands of years to complete, tracing an elongated path around the Sun that occasionally nudges distant objects, subtly shaping the architecture of the outer solar system. The discovery of such a planet would not only represent one of the most extraordinary achievements in modern astronomy, but also force a re-evaluation of the solar system as we know it, revealing that the order of planets is more complex and mysterious than textbooks suggest. Scientists continue to model its potential size, orbit, and composition using data from gravitational anomalies and the motion of icy bodies, but direct confirmation remains elusive, leaving the scientific community on the edge of discovery. Beyond its sheer scale and intrigue, Planet X could hold clues to the broader questions of planetary formation and evolution, showing that massive worlds can form or migrate to extreme distances, surviving in the cold, dark reaches of space for billions of years. Its presence might explain phenomena that have puzzled astronomers for decades, including the unusual clustering of certain distant objects and the behavior of long-period comets that appear to originate from the farthest corners of the solar system. The suspense surrounding Planet X is amplified by the delicate balance between what we can observe and what remains hidden, a cosmic dance of gravity that hints at secrets we have yet to fully grasp. Imagine the sense of wonder that will sweep the world if scientists finally capture a glimpse of this elusive planet, confirming what has long been theorized but never seen. Such a discovery would be a powerful reminder of the limits of human perception and the incredible complexity of our cosmic neighborhood. For now, Planet X remains a tantalizing mystery, a challenge for astronomers, and a symbol of the boundless curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown. The hunt continues with cutting-edge telescopes, sophisticated simulations, and an unrelenting desire to uncover what lies in the shadows at the solar system's edge. Every observation, every anomaly, and every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding whether this massive hidden world is real, shaping our knowledge of the universe in ways we can scarcely imagine. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early, ensuring you never miss a journey into the fascinating mysteries of space. The search for Planet X is far from over, but the possibility that a massive hidden planet may be silently influencing our solar system continues to inspire awe, curiosity, and a sense of wonder that reminds us that even in a system we thought we understood, there are still secrets waiting to be discovered.